just a pan, few ingredients, and dinner is ready. And here's what I did. After chopping my vegetables, onion, tomato, chili pepper, and then in the boiling water, I added some penne pasta. That's the brand I used, and then I already added oil, coconut oil to the boiling water before adding to the pasta. But I didn't show that part, so that's oil there. And then I stirred it with a fork to separate it. Because if you do not separate pasta, it will clog together. After parboiling the pasta to my preferred texture, I then rinse thoroughly. You can see what I'm doing here. I rinse this thoroughly because I don't want any starch to it. Then after rinsing thoroughly, I added some coconut oil, then shake it properly so it will not stick together. And then with that same pan, I added some coconut oil and then fried my chicken. The chicken was about 50% cooked. Yeah, and then after frying the chicken, I then added the chopped sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, and then the chili. The reason why I didn't add the chili was because I didn't want it to start burning, and to start sneezing earlier. So I stirred it for some time and I made sure that the sour taste of the tomato was no more. And then I added some garlic paste, some chicken seasoning, yeah, and then some pilau sauce. That is all I had in my kitchen. And then after frying for some time, I then added the chicken and then the pasta. So this penne pasta I'm using is a good brand, but it also depends on how you cook it. Yeah, so the pasta I cook it for about few minutes, yeah, because I didn't want it to be really soft. And then after stirring it, I decided to add salt to it because initially I didn't add salt, yeah, due to the seasoning I added, but it wasn't enough, so I just added a pinch of salt and then stir this, cover this to simmer for some time. Then after simmering, this is how my pasta is looking now. Yeah, so I decided to stir it again. You just have to keep stirring. And then the pasta was a bit strong, so I tried to cover again and simmer for a few seconds. At this point, the pasta was raw, soft to the way I wanted it. Let me know if you try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching the video. Comment what you think about it and do subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.